Have you ever wondered how industries ensure that all the products we use actually work? At Vectralis Baumann, we work to ensure the optimal performance of products. With over 20 years of experience providing world-class, customized systems, services, and supporting testing and automation for leading manufacturers of electronic products. Every challenge drives us to keep working and evolving as we strive to test the future now. In 2005 in Guadalajara, initially providing ICT solutions, particularly to clients with Teradyne platforms. Later, they began manufacturing fixtures, offering a complete hardware and software solution to customers. By 2010, increasing demands led our founders to expand into functional testing solutions with the mission of strengthening client trust and satisfaction. This drive for industry evolution keeps us at the forefront and in the constant search of strategic partners to deliver cutting-edge technology that anticipates future needs. We also develop standalone and inline solutions, integrating various assembly and testing processes. We work with multiple brands of robots, including collaborative and industrial robots for product handling, providing integration and installation in our stations, or automating loading and unloading processes in production plants. In October 2018, Baumann Automation, a leader in high-end automation in Europe, found a partner in Vectralis to represent it in the Americas. In 2022, Vectralis Baumann will become a 100% part of the Baumann Group. We're here to ensure that tomorrow's technology is ready to perform today. Backed by our experience and the best strategic partners, we continue to innovate, evolve, and transform the industry. Together, we can test the future now.